Hi everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends, and today is January 17th, 2016. Bitcoin, 20K by January 26th? Can it be? Also, the CBOE and CME contracts. So let's go take a look at, before we get into that, our pal, coin market cap. As a side note, notice my shiny new browser. That is the Brave browser, and it is very quick, and there aren't any ads. Notice that this is Coin Market Cap, and there aren't any of those stupid ads up here. And let's check out the refresh rate. I'm going to click it. 3, 2, 1, click. 1,000, 2, oh, about 1.5 to 1,000. Anyway, so that was pretty quick. Check it out. The ticker for that makes the Brave browser is BAT. We'll go here, BAT. There they are, basic attention token. Check them out. Their browser is pretty awesome right now. But anyway, market cap 514 with Bitcoin dominance of almost 36%. Bitcoin is trading at right now about 11,000, with Ethereum close to approaching 1,000, up 4.91%, with Ripple coming in at almost 8.5% increase, just over a buck 17. Everything's looking pretty good here. Nice recovery. Tron's just doing awesome right now, 30%, almost 30% up. Stellar's looking good. It's just a nice candlestick of green here, right? Much better than what we've seen in the last several days. Anyway, going back to the topic here of the article. First column is on ETH News by Matthew De Silva. And he talks about he's basically talking about market manipulation here. And he had a very interesting spot right here, and I'll go ahead and read it to you, okay? Because the Bitcoin auction volume is so low, it appears that a calculating trader could artificially influence the auction price to capitalize on futures positions. Although CBOE instituted position limits, it seems like the market doesn't have nearly enough liquidity to guard against the market-moving impact of even a mid-size, not a whale, but a mid-size trader. And I think pretty much that's what we saw, because if we go over to Bitcoin, which is, I mean, you know, it looks down, but you know, it's fluctuating. It's gonna start coming up. Because if we go and look at the, let's go look at the day, with the futures coming in, these guys were looking at this huge spike. They were salivating, absolutely salivating over shorting that thing and dropping it down. And lo and behold, that's exactly what happened, because if they short it and it goes down, they can make money. They're betting that it goes down against other people that think it's going to go up. So somebody can go in that have, let's say during this time period before, they were actually accumulating Bitcoin. And that would give them a chance to go ahead and short it. Sell, drop it down. And when they do that, people will follow. And that's exactly what happened. That is what happened, and the rest of the market came down with it. Also, it wasn't just Bitcoin. Just lowering Bitcoin wasn't enough. Now this is speculation. I'm pretty sure that they took positions in a whole bunch of other crypto, because when you're dealing with this kind of money and you're manipulating Bitcoin, you want to kind of hide your tracks, because you don't want to get caught by the SEC, right? So you want to hide your tracks and basically bring everything down. And instead of the Chinese going on their new moon holiday, which is like their Thanksgiving and Christmas all rolled into one, that it was more market manipulation. And here's this article. It's an interesting read. And then down below, he gives a couple different scenarios on how these guys can make money, okay? Also, another thing, Shorts on top is January CBOE Bitcoin futures near settlement. This is from Routers. And I'll just read this last part here. Speculators who had loaded up on bearish positions in front month contracts will reap big gains. Yep. And that's what they're seeing. You can go ahead and scroll through here and give this a quick read. I'll leave the link below. And this one here is talking about how CBOE, the contract is up today on the 17th. It's up. So we should see, I mean, we're already seeing some easing in the market for it to go back to where it belongs, an upward correction, right? On the 26th, so the CBOE, the first contracts that they first had, they came due today. For the CME, which is the big boy, those contracts, the first ones are coming due on the 26th, and a lot of them were bought in at about, they were betting on a $20,000 Bitcoin. And that's why I think that Bitcoin is going to be 20K by the 26th, because these guys, they do not want to lose their money. And they have the money to go in and just buy Bitcoin to bring up the price if they wanted to. We're talking big money here. We're talking these guys own the shoes, and these guys are the shoe shiners. Let's put it that way as far as money goes. CME, big boy. Going back here to lovely Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, it's fluctuating right now. It's going up and down, but you know what? That's going to go away, and well, this is my opinion. I think it's going to go away, and it's going to increase, and it's going to hit 20K by January 26th. Well, I hope so, right? We all do. Anyways, take another quick look at the volumes here, and I'm on Binance, great exchange. Tron, look at that. Tron's volume, 171,000. My gosh, that is, let's see if that's the 714. Yeah, that's more than double of anything else. More than double of its next closest, which is Neo. Good project there, Neo. And Ripple's doing pretty good here. And EOS, ADA, lots of nice volume up here. But let's take a look at Tron. Look at that nice spike. It's going up. It's at 8 cents. I actually got in at, it's at the about 8,000 Satoshi mark. I got in about 6,400. And so I'm pleased with that. And for me, this is like a 6-month hold. It's not a long-term hold. Long-term for me is like 2 to 3 years, okay? But we'll see where it goes. And I am delighted as well. I bet many of you are super delighted that Tron is going up. And the volume on it is just crazy. I mean, look at this column here where it shows the trade history. Just bam, 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 bam. There's a 5,000, 14,000, 7,000. It's like, my gosh. Look at this line up here. Let's go take a look at the depth real quick. Okay, a lot of buyers lining up. They are going to crush through that wall, basically. That's how I see it. Ven is up here too. Ven, look at that. I mean, we still have the market manipulation with Ven with these huge, huge, huge insurmountable sell walls. Ven is special. This is a different kind of manipulation. Anyway, it is what it is. Ven is a fantastic, awesome coin. It just hasn't been allowed to shine yet. Okay, hasn't been allowed to shine yet. Neo, take a quick look at Neo, see what's going on here. Well, let's go to the candlesticks, right? Zoom, nice jump up, nice volume here. Neo's doing good. It's currently at 130, 138, 139. Going up and down real quick. Ripple starting to go up. Yay. Let's go to like the 5-minute graph. Yay. Nice, nice, nice. EOS real quick. Yeah, okay, fine. But it's still doing okay. It looks like it's starting to come up. Cardano. Yeah, okay. There's Cardano. And then BNB. Binance Coin. Yay. That's a good one to have. I actually use Binance Coin. I use it for trades. We looked at Ben. Bitcoin Diamond. BCD. And then this Nebula. Nebulous here. real popular, taking a big dump right now, right? Let's see, XLM, a Stella. It's going to be a stellar year. Gosh, I hope so. 2018, a stellar year for all of us. Anyway, this is going on kind of long, and just thought I'd give you guys some input and hope that the world hasn't ended. We are still here. Keep an eye on the future contracts, okay? Keep an eye on the future contracts. You can tell there's external manipulation going on, that it's not normal. Anyway, have a great day. You guys know the routine. Smash up the likes, subscribe, and hit that bell button to be notified of when I drop my next video. Have a great day. I'm checking out.